Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are starting lesson number 3 of civil engineering basic knowledge. My name is Ilyas Khan and my YouTube channel is Engineering Software. If you like the channel and like my content, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. So let's go further to start the lecture. Today the very important points regarding structure work. First point is stirrup detail. When we starting before these structure work is in stirrup, we are talking about stirrup. So the most of designer and street worker provided stirrup hook are in 90 degree. So this is now failed because of the earthquake and the column is going buckling. Okay. Now after the improvement of structure design, the structure engineer referred you a 135 degree hook for stirrups in column. Okay, so this should be 135 degree and this is approved and okay by the international design and ACI codes. Okay, so this is the best one hook and this is not. What is the column rebar? You will see in a natural construction or ordinary construction, all the columns have a same uniform distance stirrups. This is wrong. It should not be applied in engineering or construction. It's not okay. You divide your column into 3 parts. 1, 2 and the third one that. Okay, so we were in the first span of column, the spacing between stirrups should be minimum, and the second span also the top and the bottom spacing should be minimum, and the middle you can increase. This is the principle of structural engineering. So you will apply this. I draw this is a very little bit close, but the middle stirrup should be maximum other than bottom and top stirrups. Okay, so this is the good method. Third point is lapping. Students, you will see a lot of people making these mistakes when they are lapping the tools steel. So this is a lap directly, which is very wrong. This should not be applied. The standard procedure of overlapping is you will give here a little bit slope of 1:6 slope. Okay, and here also, and this going down and this bar is going up. So this here should be bind by binding wire, and this is the proper procedure of overlapping, and this is suitable and approved by the ACI or structure engineers. Okay, the fourth point is cement should be stored in dry area and above 6 inches from ground level. These mistakes are happened by a lot of people, and the contractor is facing a lot of waste of cement and the strength decrease. Okay, so you should store cement in very dry area, which is protect from rain and other water issues, and it should be above from the 6 inch from the ground level. This should be a platform you provide. It should be 6 inch height from the ground level, and you can stock here your cement. So this will be protect, not hurt, not waste, and not decrease the strength of cement. Okay, water used for concrete mixing and curing should be free from injurious oils, acid, salts, sugar, oil, acid, salts, sugar, and other organic materials. Water you are using for concrete mixing or concrete curing, it should be clean for all of impurities which is given below. Okay, this is very important. The initial sitting time of concrete should not be less than 30 minutes. Guys, the initial sitting time of concrete should not be less than 30 minutes. Okay viewers, and final setting time of concrete should be 6.5 hours. Okay, it should not be minimum of 6.5 hours. This is the international description. Okay, and the minimum initial setting time is should not be less than 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, point number 8, lintel beam thickness should not be less than 15 centimeters. This is the wall, brick wall. We have here a door, and here are a window. We provide here a lintel beam which depth should not be less than 15 centimeters. Alright, this is clear. Floor height should not be less than 3.15 meter or 10.5 meter. Floor height for residential building 10.5 feet, or otherwise it is different. Nowadays we are going a very speedily improvement in the design, so designer can make a lot of height due to ceiling services. 10.5 feet for residential, 11 feet for residential, 12 feet, and for the commercial high-rise building there are 16 feet height, 13 feet height, 14 feet height, and it depends on the designer decisions and his plannings. Okay, so it's all right. This is the lesson number 3 of civil engineering and basic knowledge. Hope you understand the lesson. Please subscribe the engineering software channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.